To express the future tense, we use will and shall. But there are some other expressions like about to and going to, which indicate the future tense. Now, what's the difference? The nuance, the slight difference. Nuance means a slight difference is about to is immediate, note down, immediate future. About to is immediate future. Going to is planned, arranged, or intended future. See the difference? For example, I am about to go to bed. Immediate future. I'm about to go to bed. Here, I am going to buy a house. Here, going to buy indicates that the action is going to be in the near future, but it is planned, arranged, or intended. It is called intended. With an intention. I am going to buy a house. The train is about to leave. Immediate future. There is no delay. Here, the train is about to leave. But here, going to, they are going to travel abroad. It is planned. Remember, about to is immediate future, going to is planned, arranged, or intended, determined, decided. That's the main difference between the usages of about to and going to. Note down. The building is going to be pulled down next year. Note down. The building is going to be, yes, I repeat, the building is going to be the building is going to be pulled down next year. See this one? It is arranged, planned, not about to. Going to shows that some action is intended, planned, or arranged. Any doubt about this? The difference between about to and going to. Going to is intended or planned, about to is immediate future. I'm about to go, for example. But when we use going to, there must be something planned.